Hi guys, it's Beige. Today I have a quick 10-minute makeup look for you for those busy mornings when you need to get out the door. I hope you will enjoy. I'm starting off with a very natural looking foundation. And I'm using the Beauty Blender Sponge to blend it out. I found this to be the quickest way to blend foundation out, especially if you're in a hurry in the morning. Now I'm going to conceal a couple of spots with a more full coverage foundation. If I have extra 2 minutes in the morning, I'd rather do this and have a very natural finish to the face than just apply a lot of foundation and have a cakey face all day. I will conceal under the eyes, and you can just use your finger for this, for convenience in the morning, just to be quicker. I'm using some loose powder all over the face, just to set everything. I'm also going on the eyelids because I'm not going to be using any eyeshadow. Now I will just curl my eyelashes. And I'm adding mascara. Now I feel like this is one of those essential steps that you cannot skip. I'm also going to put some pencil through the eyebrow very quick. Also very natural, just not to take too much time. You could also use powder if your eyebrows are very light, but if you just need to fill in a couple of sparse areas, I think the pencil will be quicker. For face, those kind of trio palettes are the best because you have everything you need in one palette. So I'm going to take the bronzer side and just apply it in the cheek area. Now I will take the blush side and just add a flash of blush to the cheek. And the highlighter side, and I will add that to the cheekbone. I'm also going to take the highlight and just run it across the eyelid, because we don't have any eyeshadow there, but I still like some sheen there for every day. And for lips, I usually go for something like a lip crayon. It's very easy to apply, and it's very hard to make a mistake, so it's very good for the morning when you just need something quick. And that is the finished look. Also, if you love red lips but you feel like it takes too long in the morning to do them perfectly, you can also use a red lip crayon, something very sheer. It's just going to give you that feel of red lip without actually taking time to apply it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did like it, please hit a thumbs up. For more makeup tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you love red lips but you feel like it takes too long in the morning to do them perfectly, you can If you love red lips but you feel like it takes too long in the morning to wear it every day, they also have oh my god.